Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on IMDb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on IMDb. You want to create an account on it because you have heard a lot about this app or platform, so you want to give it a try. Or maybe you're interested in the world of films and movies, so you want to watch or maybe get to know more about the films, so you want to create an account on it. Or it could be any other reason for you to create an account on IMDb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create an account on IMDb. Also, I will try to leave it an instruction in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you just have to simply tap on its icon to open the IMDb app on your mobile phone. Once it gets loaded and open, you will see this interface. We have some videos and different kind of posters of the film, series, and different stuff. As you can see, it will show you all the things by categories or whatever is trending in these days. So if you want to create an account on it, we have four options at the bottom. So you have to click on the right one, which is sign in. Once you click on it, you will show this option which says sign in or sign up. So again, click on sign in on sign up. And then you will see this interface. Now it is asking that if you want to create an account or maybe if you have an account, so you can log into it. So we are here to create an account, therefore we have to click on this option which says create an account. So just simply click on create an account. So now here what you have to do is that first you have to enter the first and last name of yours, and after that you have to enter your email address and you have to create a password. You may enter your real name or any made up name, whatever you prefer, you can add it, but make sure that you enter your correct email because it will not allow you if you use any other email which is not yours. And after that, you have to create a password. And once you have done all these things, you have to click on this option which says create your IMDb account, and your account will be created. So, first, you have to follow all these things, you have to enter all these informations. Once you enter all your details like your first name, your second name, your email address, and enter your password, it will send an OTP to your account, and then you have to verify it, and after that your account will be created. So as you can see right now, the account has been created. Now you can watch movies, you can get to know about different things, you can explore different options, can understand which movie is based on which thing, and all about the world of the movies, films, and series. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.